All right, guys, here it is, the Luna Sur Ron XX Ludicrous Edition. Now, this thing looks exactly like a normal Sur Ron X. Pretty much every part is the same, except for the fact that the controller has been modified from Luna from the factory. So instead of putting out the stock 80 amps that a normal Sur Ron X puts out, this thing is putting out 150 amps. And they've also modified the battery to be able to handle that extra surge of power. So Luna sent out 100 of these, and I was lucky enough to get my hands on one. I have a feeling that they are going to produce more of these, but at the moment, this is one of the 100, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how this bike stacks up to the stock Sur Ron X. It's one thing that I've always wanted out of the stock Sur Ron X is a little bit more power, and this bike should have it. Now, I call this the fastest production Sur Ron X because it showed up at my doorstep and I didn't have to do anything. It's plug and play, ready to go, faster than a stock Sur Ron X. You could go out and buy an ASI controller and modify your Sur Ron X, but that requires a lot more money and work, and I think it's pretty cool that this thing just showed up, ready to go, faster than stock. And so for that reason, this thing is the fastest Sur Ron X that you can buy from the factory. So I am going to gear up, do like a little bit of a first impression on it. This is literally my first time riding the bike, so probably won't get too in depth on this ride, but just wanted to give it a quick shakedown and show you guys what it's all about. All right, yep, it's definitely faster. That's awesome. Damn. Breaking the rear tire loose. This thing gets up and goes quick. This is awesome. Top speed feels the same. But man, the acceleration is way better. That's super fun. Keep getting reminded how not great these stock tires are. Man, just that extra snap off the bottom makes this thing so much more exciting. I feel like on the stock Sur-Ron, you can kind of just pin it everywhere without any concern. This thing's definitely breaking the rear tire loose. So you gotta be on top of it a little bit more. So it's basically got twice the power, 150 amps instead of the stock 80, and you can definitely feel it. It accelerates way better. Getting into corners, it just snaps right out of it. It's way more fun to ride. Oh, I love it. And the regen is stronger too. When you lay off the throttle, feels a bit stronger. Oh, that's awesome. I can't wait to throw some mods on this bike. This thing's totally stock right now. Stock tires, stock bars, stock suspension, but man, what an awesome platform to build a bike on. So yeah, as I mentioned before, there's 100 of these made. I know they were all spoken for really quick, but I do have a strong feeling that Luna is going to come out with more of these. I mean, they're too good not to. It's nice because it's basically the stock battery, but it's just been modded a little bit. So you're not throwing anything super unusual into the bike. Yeah, I wasn't sure how this bike was going to feel, but man, I do love this acceleration out of the corners. You could not hit that with that speed on the stock Sur-Ron. It just gets out of stuff really easy. All right, first ride on the Sur Ron XX Ludicrous edition from Luna Cycle. This thing is so fun. I haven't had that much fun on a Sur-Ron in a while. It doesn't have more top speed than the stock Sur-Ron, but it gets there a lot quicker. It just has a lot more snap and a lot more torque, which is what we all want out of these things. So I hope that Luna Cycle starts selling them to the masses. I think they will, but time will tell on that. I'm looking forward to modifying it some more, hopefully racing it a little bit and just making some more videos. So stay tuned for that stuff, and thanks as always for watching, guys. See ya.